Your number one locksmith. Our ancestors do not have the same skills. Our ancestors do not have the same skills, and they don't speak the same language. They can hear every language, but they don't speak the same language when it comes to communicating with us. That is why I always discourage people who go for help, especially for wealth help, be accompanied by friends. I don't like that. Personally. This is my personal opinion. I'm not saying it's a fact. However, allow me to unpack why do I say that. Many of times, people who have found me direct, people who have found Isaluka Sendoda direct, if you compare their help with those who were being referred, I talk about those who comes for wealth, who are those who have been referred to me. Those who comes direct, most of the time, they achieve what they wanted to achieve quicker. Not all, but quicker. Compared to those that are being referred, or those that came because of my friend is going there, so I may as well come with him. Our ancestors' skills are different. And as different as they are, as unique as they are, they work exactly the same, different. I did talk about your ancestors are lazy. If you have lazy ancestors, which means what you have asked today and what your friend has asked today, yours might be slower. Not that your ancestors are ignoring you, they are just lazy. Bayayivela phela nje ogogo nomkhulu laba ohamba nabo. So we need to understand that formula before we become chacharach and go with friends because my friend goes there, I want to go there. Again, I have noticed that guys that are bringing other guys, not all of them, but it's quite a number of them. Yes, I know the guy that brings this other one. Sorry. Yes, I know the guy that brought this other one. Definitely, I know him or her. However, what they've told this one, what they found from me, it is not true. And others I found out far later, no man, this latest one that was brought to me, they were misled by that one. We need to be careful. We need to understand ourselves. We need that self-introspection. We need that life audit on ourselves. That is going to assist us to look and find the best directly. Ngoba, the situation that we find ourselves in, we tend to compare. We went, both of us, to Mozambique. We both paid 25,000 each. However, things are going well on my friend compared to mine. Actually, on my side, I'm stuck. I am worse than I was before I went to Mozambique, before I went to Venda with him, before I went to Zimbabwe, wherever you traveled to. You find yourself, things are hectic. Things are even more worse. And what you do, what then do you do? They start blaming. Maybe the time he went in, maybe I went there because of they took my luck and everything. Then you go to a healer, the healer that may mistakenly ask you what happened. Then that healer sees the loophole, and then they say to you, no. Your friend lied to you. Your friend is using your powers. Can't you know? Our ancestors don't have the best interest in us the same. That's a problem. You may come with me to my ancestor and only to find out that I was the favorite, or I am the favorite on my ancestors. When you are not, there was not, you have never paid attention on things that are related to ancestors. You've always blamed ancestors, there's what. But now, because you find yourself in a tight corner, kuyanyiwa. Hayi kunzima, kuyabheda. Mamele idlozi likudunusele. Then you say to yourself, no, this time I need something. Let me speak to Batini and find out where did he get his wealth. You know, he's changing cars, he's driving Lamborghini, he's doing that. Then you go to Batini. Then Batini says to you, no, I got my stuff from Ukoko Batini Mbata. Let's go to Ukoko. Then you go to Ukoko, whoever, and then that friend is misleading you because of they don't want you to be like them. And because of they know sometimes ukuthi uvulele la, you talk too much. Lalela, you talk too much. They know ukuthi they will take you to the right place because of they like you or because of they understand your situation more than these other friends. But you are going to come back and tell these friends that don't care about you, ukuthi where did you get that thing that you have? I've spoken about this a long time, and recently, the recent videos, I'm more on talking about luck, about wealth, and everything. It's not something I take out of my head. It's you guys who are saying, "Gogo, do something. Tell us more about the situation." Gogo, what do we do in such cases? It's a tough one, because I'm going to send you back to your ancestors. Go back and have a relationship. What relationship do you have with your ancestors? Guys, pardon me. Most of us, we are lazy to invoke our ancestors. We don't want to pass. You'll hear somebody says, Gogo, I don't want you to tell me about luck. I don't want to give you something to steam and what. I want something that breathes and that I will just send and go work and everything. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't. I'm sorry, it doesn't work like that. It starts with a cleansing. There are things, there's nothing that you can go and look for that they'll just take you and say, you see this, when you press it, the man will come out without them doing anything to you. If you don't believe me, it's fine, but I'm begging you to listen to what I'm saying before you lose that money into somebody that will give you something to say, no, I don't have to put something into your blood. There's nothing that you have to do to steam what. No, just take this thing. Give me money, I'll give you this thing. You just press it, you'll hear the sound, you must know that your bank account has 50,000. Okay. It's okay. If you're okay with that, it's fine, go for it. Whenever you have went with your friend for consultation, and for taking whatever that we are given. Do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor. If you see what your friend is progressing with the same thing that you took with them, stop complaining. Stop comparing yourself with them. Because your ancestors don't speak the same language. Your ancestors, they are not as quick as the same. They are not as productive the same. Just find a way to have a relationship with your ancestors. Just find that way to say, Gogo, how do I start to have a relationship with my ancestors? Gogo, I want that relationship with my ancestors. Gogo, how do I go about it? Then I'll tell you. I'm definitely sure your healer can tell you. I'm definitely sure that whoever that you go to can tell you, Uguti, how can I have a relationship with my ancestors? Guys, without a relationship with your ancestors, you are wasting your time by comparing yourself with others. That's where it starts. That's why we give you imiti that to use before. That imiti also covers for those who don't have a relationship with their ancestors. Now they're using what? We are using the power of muti to override that relationship. Do you know, I'll give you a typical example. Do you know these guys who have never cared about the family? Never. Ancestors never. But they go and they get something, and when they come back, the family members, they listen to them. Hayi makhuluma malume because of Peter Mashankuran, they listen to them. Yeah, malume with an iPhone, they listen to them. Hey, the brother, my younger brother, they listen to them. The elder brother who's having this decent phone of mine like this, you see this expensive phone. The eldest brother who's having this phone and everything, who doesn't even have the WhatsApp, does not have that value because they don't have money, which is not fair. Which is not fair. There's no value in them because of the not of money. What is money has to do with ancestors? But only to find out that elder brother, it's so close. He's in favor of ancestors. Or that uncle that you don't pay attention to, that one uncle has a very deep relationship with ancestors. Then, boom, elder brother, or boom, one of the siblings, he's wealthy. Boom, the uncle is wealthy. You go and do consulting, your uncle has taken all your luck. He's taken all your luck, your uncle. Your uncle is naughty. Hey, that one's naughty one. You, that one, no, that one's not good. Lies. Your uncle is executing the powers that he has been given by the ancestors because of the relationship he has with the ancestors. So it is up to us. Uguti, what is it that we want to achieve? Sifuna ini. Sifuna ini. And what are we willing to do for us to achieve that? What is it that we're willing to do? Lalela, we willing to do. It's just to have a relationship with ancestors. Talk to them. Talk to them. There are basic stuff that you can do for ancestors that can be matched, that can be at par with you slaughtering a goat, a chickens, cow, without me slaughtering everything, by just going to the butchery and buy a 50 rand steak. Just a 50 rand steak or 20 rand steak if there's anything. Looks a long time ago, I remember my father used to send me to buy just a 10 rand steak, and he will just fry that steak in the yard and give us a small pieces of meat and everything. Then we eat and everything and say, he's done. That was the ritual. The relationship, it's very important. And to understand how does the ancestors work. Yo, guys, we are missing out. Guys, you are missing out. The education about ancestors, what is the function of ancestors? How important how important are our ancestors to us? How important? What role do ancestors play into our lives? How dangerous is our ancestors? We always look for the best part of ancestors, and we don't know how dangerous it's our ancestors and what makes them to be angry. Others are struggling. Yes, some of us were struggling because of the underground gang, and we don't want to accept that. You know your girlfriend made an abortion. You know you've made an abortion. You know whatever. You know there are things that we know and we do nothing about. You know what you have wrong, Usbanban. You know what Usbanban is not working today because of you. You know there are things that you know, and those people that you've wronged, they go down on their knees and they talk to their ancestors. Then you see your things, boom. You see tabs closing down, and you ask yourself, why? I don't know. I'll hear people say, Coco, what I've realized, Muti doesn't work on me. Most of the people know that's lies. You haven't found the right one, or you have found the right one, but your Muti is not spiritually baptized. It's not. So you're using Muti in a vacuum. You're just using Muti in general. Emoyen. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't. So let's go and form a relationship with our ancestors. Let's understand what does it take for you to have a relationship with your ancestors. How does ancestors work? And accept it means my ancestors are slower than my friend, are slower than my siblings. In the midst of ancestors, each and every one, we have a bunch of ancestors that are looking for after us only. Maybe I fall in the category of the relative that I don't even know. That's how it works. That's how it works. Just wanted to bring that to attention. Our ancestors don't have same skills. Our ancestors do not speak the same language. However, they can hear any language. But how they respond to us is totally different. It's totally different. Don't expect the same delivery. Don't expect the same delivery. There's number of courier services that are claimed to deliver within 24 hours, overnight deliveries. But how many of the courier services do you know that are capable, that they mean it? If they say overnight is overnight. If they say 3 working days, you'll get it even within 3 working days. How many people have taken their stuff to one of the stores that take stuff across the South Africa? They will promise you what this one, it takes 3 days. This one, it takes 7 days. You pay for the one that takes 7 days. It gets to you after 10 days. I think you know which store I'm talking about. So you need to understand. And sometimes you post with the same person, but only to find out where your stuff is going is not in the same destination. different locations, but same distance. But hers has arrived on time or even beyond, before time, and yours beyond. We are not the same. We are not the same. I've learned that the hard way. We are not the same. Your time will come, but it doesn't mean you must fold your arms. Thokozani.